Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your saves and isolating variables. Back up to PS Plus Cloud or a USB drive so you can restore profiles later. Once done, disconnect external HDDs or USB sticks to avoid interference. Power the Ps5 off fully, then hold the power button for about 7 seconds until the second beep. This boots you into safe mode. Make sure your DualSense is connected via USB and press the PS button. These steps give you a controlled environment to repair file system issues. You now rebuild the system index to restore corrupted file references. In safe mode, choose Rebuild Database. This scans and reorders data without deleting most content. If the rebuild stalls or fails, clear the cache in safe mode and reinstall the latest PS5 update from USB. That can replace damaged system files. Next, inspect storage to find any apps marked corrupted and check free space. Games can fail when storage is under 10%. These actions fix logical corruption in most cases. If corruption remains after rebuild and update, you should initialize the PS5 to fully reset software. You will lose local data, so confirm your cloud or USB backup first. Choose Initialize PS5 Full in safe mode, then wait through the complete reinstall. This replaces the OS and clears deep corruption. Once done, restore your saves from cloud or USB, reinstall games, and verify functionality. If something goes wrong, try a different USB drive for updates, rebuild the database once more, or contact PlayStation support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.